Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sweet and sour shrimp. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, cornstarch, and all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. This is for the for the sauce. 1/4 cup soy sauce, 3/4 cup sugar, and then pineapple chunks, and then 1/3 cup vinegar, white vinegar, and then 2/3 cup water, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 2 tablespoon cornstarch, and then we have garlic, onions, and bell pepper. And then the shrimp I marinated with soy sauce, black pepper, and then I put egg on it. Okay, so first kuan guys, diri sa atong flour and cornstarch. And then, i-fry na to. Taloon. The sauce. Okay. Saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then the bell pepper. And then guys, we're gonna add the all cornstarch. Sugar, soy sauce, sugar, the ketchup, and then we're gonna add pineapple. Okay, first, and we'll be right back. Our sauce is done, so we're gonna sweet and sour sauce. So we're gonna add the shrimp. So this is our sweet and sour shrimp. Look at that one, guys. It's super yummy, guys. Our sweet and sour shrimp. It's done. Okay. I'm gonna taste the one if it is good enough. It's good enough. Okay. It's yummy. So that's our sweet and sour shrimp. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at D Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.